when the heat in the Sahasrara settles down, that is the time yogis declare a person as dead. Please understand. The yogic definition of death is not heart stopping. It is the heat on the Sahasrara settling down. It will not, the heat on the Sahasrara, the crown center, will be lower than the heat which a living person feels on the palms. That's the definition of death in yogic tradition. Yogis stop their heart and live in the body even for 3-4 months. And their nail and the hair will be growing. Please understand. I have seen one Swami, he is called Mauna Swami, he is the disciple of, follower of the Ayya Swami tradition. There is a place called Vaikuntapati in Kanyakumari district. Samittopu, they call it. One great master, Ayya, they call him Ayya. He was living, I think he is a maybe predecessor to Ramakrishna. He is before Ramakrishna, maybe I think 200-250 years. I don't know exactly. Maybe I can tell you later on exact years, but a great master, soul lived. His parampara, one sannyasi lived in Tiruvannamalai temple. Then later on he shifted his place to the top of the hill. Mauna Swami was called. He will never eat or sleep. Once he was so still and no pulse, no heartbeat, all the disciples thought he is dead. And they decided to bury his body. Kuppammal came to know. She ran. His body was in the Thirumanjanagopuram, on the south side tower of the Tiruvannamalai temple. She ran and saw he was in Yoga Samadhi. He was not dead because the crown center was still hot. So she told the disciples, no, he is not dead. Wait. Disciples were not ready to agree. Then she said, I'll prove you guys, he is alive. Listen what I am saying. And these guys were not ready to listen. Then she brought us coconut and broke on his head. Then a slight blood came, which is a circulating blood, live blood, not frozen blood, and which was hot. Then they realized, oh, he is in Yoga Samadhi. After 3 months, he became conscious of outer world, and after that he lived more than 10 years. Now he passed away, he took Samadhi, Mahasamadhi, recently. Maybe after that at least 10 years he lived in the body, little more than 10 years, maybe 20 years also, I don't know completely. At least I have seen him. I had the fortune of having his darshan. And a great sadhu, a great soul, great yogi. So in yogic tradition, we don't define death based on heartbeat stopping. We define based on the heat of the Sahasrara cooling off. The moment the heat of the Sahasrara cools off, even next second, your heart is not heart, liver is not liver, eyes are not eyes. Any research done on that part of the body, any understanding you come to after analyzing that part of the body from the dead body will not be true. So all research, all analysis, all understanding has to be done when the body is alive. Yogis know. This is the method. Understand. Nabi chakre kaya vyuhajnanam. Meditate, do samyama on the Nabi chakra. When you are alive, you will know thoroughly your energy flow, your organs, how it functions, everything. You can diagnose your own diseases. self-diagnostic center.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection.